Bitcoin dips below $27,000, Ether floats above $1,800. JP Morgan's 6 Indian banks to settle dollar trades on Onyx blockchain system. New York's Met Museum agrees to return $550,000 in FTX donations. UK lawmakers call for a dedicated government role to oversee crypto regulation. Ethereum gas fees cool down after May meme coin frenzy. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. After a brief recovery, virtual digital assets or VDA markets continue to remain under pressure in the beginning of the week. Bitcoin dropped below the crucial $27,000 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1% at 37,390 points. Interestingly, in a trend-setting move, Russian bank, the Rosbank became the first significant bank to give customers the option of using cryptocurrency in cross-border transactions. According to a representative of the financial institution, the bank is now conducting pilot transactions with corporate and private clients. The deal reached by the US government in regard to the nation's debt ceiling triggered volatility in VDA prices, but bulls have managed to rein in control and helped Bitcoin recover some of the losses posted during the weekend trade. Despite receiving a boost in the form of the agreement to extend the US debt ceiling or the May employment data, cryptos seem to continue their downward movement after completing the worst month so far this year. Meanwhile, Terra Classic, the original chain of the defunct Terra ecosystem, shot up more than 20% earlier following the announcement of the V2.1.0 upgrade proposal, which is scheduled on June 14. Additionally, validators are set to receive a minimum 5% commission as compensation, reports said. Tron, the native cryptocurrency of the Tron blockchain, witnessed a substantial increase of over 10%. The recent surge can be attributed to the launch of the BitTorrent bridge platform, which now allows users to seamlessly transfer their TRX tokens between the Tron blockchain and Ethereum. While talking about the DeFi space, Injective Protocol, the Layer 1 blockchain designed to help developers create decentralized applications like lending and trading protocols, has increased 527% since the beginning of January. DeFi protocols Lido, PancakeSwap also witnessed strong weeks, rising 15% and 12% respectively. US equity futures traded mixed after a broad-based rally that pushed the S&P 500 to its best week since March and its highest level since August. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 35 points or 0.1%. S&P 500 futures were flat and Nasdaq 100 futures dipped 0.3%. Bitcoin was trading at $26,075, down 1.6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2%, trading at $1,869. On my left, BNB was down by 2.2% to trade at $300. Solana Sol was down 0.3% and was trading at $21.5. Cardano's 88 token was again down by 2% to trade at $0.37. Talking about Polygon Matic, it was trading down by 2% to trade at $0.88. Meanwhile, on June 3, Polygon's newly launched ZK EVM rollup product crossed $28 million in total value logged as it continued to witness increased adoption. Now, this early success of ZK EVM has helped the Polygon blockchain attract demand in recent weeks. Talking about Doge, the popular meme coin was trading down by 1.7% at $0.071. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.8%. Polkadot was down by 1.2% to trade at $5.3. However, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $14.8, higher 0.4%, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.53, up by 1.7%. The world's sixth largest cryptocurrency, XRP, has shown strong decoupling from the rest of the crypto market over the past week amid strong whale activity and investor interest. However, XRP has registered gains of more than 10% in the past 7 days.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. JP Morgan has teamed up with 6 Indian banks to settle interbank dollar transaction on its blockchain-based trading platform Onyx, Bloomberg reported on Monday. The investment bank will run a pilot project over the coming months alongside HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Yes Bank, IndusInd Bank and JPM's own banking unit in Gujarat, India. The aim of the project, which starts today, is to settle dollar trades in real time around the clock as opposed to over a matter of days and only during the working week. Onyx, established in 2020, is the banking giant's digital assets network for settling wholesale payment transactions. The headquarters for the project is the Gujarat International Finance Tech City or GIFT City, which is India's attempt to establish an international finance hub to rival the likes of Singapore and Dubai. New York's Metropolitan Museum of Art has agreed to return $550,000 in donations it received from FTXs shortly before the crypto exchange collapsed in November, according to Friday court filings. The museum has agreed to return the payments made in March and May last year by FTX's US entity West Realm Shires Service in full and without further litigation, said the court document. The Met wishes to return the donations to the FTX debtors, and the FTX debtors and the Met have engaged in good faith arm's-length negotiation concerning the return, said the filing by FTX, with the repayment to be made within 1 month of judicial approval. A group of UK lawmakers is calling on the government to introduce crypto financial services regulations sooner rather than later and to appoint a dedicated official to oversee the process. In a report published Monday, the Crypto and Digital Assets All-Parliamentary Group said cryptocurrency is here to stay and needs immediate regulation. The group, which includes lawmakers from different political parties and both houses of parliament, made 53 recommendations for regulating crypto in the country. Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's government recently closed a consultation proposing that the UK regulates crypto by bringing it into the scope of existing financial services regulations. The average gas fee transaction fees on the Ethereum network has cooled substantially in the first week of June after reaching a multi-month high in May owing to the meme coin frenzy and much maximal extractable value bot activities. The average gas fee has decreased to $7.34, an almost one-third drop from last month's high of $20. In terms of GUE, a denomination of Ether that represents 1 billionth of 1 ETH, the daily median gas price has decreased to 24 GUE from a peak of almost 140 GUE last month, according to Dune Analytics. The meme coin frenzy started in late April and took center stage in May, leading to multiple new meme coins hitting the market such as Aped, BoboCoin and others. The dominance of meme coins in network activity was so high that it created an unusual shift in the top 10 gas-burning altcoins. Instead of ETH, wrapped Ether or Tether, meme coins such as Troll, Aped and Bobo became the top 10 spenders. Another prominent reason for the rise in the Ethereum gas fees was the surging popularity of meme coins on decentralized platforms, with mainstream centralized exchanges taking longer to list them. With the meme coin frenzy dying down, Ethereum gas fees have cooled and ordinals inscriptions have also decreased significantly. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing stocks of the day.
The momentum in crypto markets shows no signs of slowing as Hong Kong explodes 50,000% in an earth-shattering pump heralding a return to the Chinese narrative of February. Many traders will recall a surge in interest and attraction for Chinese-linked crypto projects in February 2023, following the seismic news that Beijing had approved Hong Kong's crypto ambitions. As the fever swept markets, major projects such as Neo, Filecoin and Conflux Network saw gains up to 1,000%. And now, after a high-octane meme coin season in April and May that saw the likes of SpongeBob Token and Copium make similarly impressive moonshot returns, it appears that the Chinese narrative has returned. Things kicked off with a whopping 20,000% pump for skyrocketing China coin early this week, and this was quickly followed by a moonshot of NIHAO, which surged a shocking 40,000%. Furthermore, Hong Kong was trading at 63% down in the last 24 hours. Terra Classic is one of those assets that found new life once it was placed in the hands of the community, and the community's efforts are now bearing fruit. Following the announcement of its version 2.1.0 upgrade, the LUNC community began to rally this token, increasing its value by 7.45% in the last 24 hours. The latest upgrade would be Terra Classic's third, thanks to the LUNC burn army. The following are the key points mentioned in the proposal for the aforementioned upgrade. The upgrade proposes a minimum commission of 5% for validators. This would attract more validators to the chain, allowing Terra Classic to become a more stable. Cosmos 1.1 is a smart contracting platform built on the Cosmos ecosystem, written as a module that can plug into Cosmos SDK. Cosmos 1.1 is the second iteration of this system that will now be integrated with the Terra Classic ecosystem. LUNC was trading 18% up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $623 million. Ripple has collaborated with Dora Hacks to announce an online hackathon in support of innovative projects. The goal of the exercise is to get developers from various backgrounds to experiment with new ideas and transition from centralized systems to blockchain technology. The Summer XRPL online hackathon has been scheduled for June 5th to July 30th, 2023. The hackathon's total prize pool is $60,000. This will allow participating projects to win up to $10,000 in development funding. They will also work with the Ripple team for non-financial assistance. Dora Hacks, a Ripple partner, encourages participants to continue exploring the various opportunities on its platform after the hackathon. It encouraged them to apply for other programs on its platform that would enhance the development of their projects. Ripple was trading at $0.53, up 3% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $27 billion.
Well, that's all in this special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.